when C sounds k and C sounds s. So the answer is calcium. Calcium. So calcium Ca. When we have Ca, it means it sounds k. When we have Ci, sounds s. Example, citric acid. Now cycle. Cycle. So now spelling Cycle. Then when we have Cy, it means sounds s. Cy sounds s. And what was the previous? Ci sounds s. Means I and Y. Now let's check other words. Then centrosome. Centrosome. So Ce. Ce. It also sounds s. So Ci, Cy, Ce sounds s. So now we can clearly figure out when we have to pronounce k and s. I hope you got it. Bye-bye. And if you have some good points, then comment down below. And if you want to be with me, can be with me.